In this video tutorial, we'll be talking about the volume of a cylinder. Here you have a picture of a cylinder. A common real-life object would be like a soup can. So, to find the volume of the cylinder, you would find the base area. And here is your base, which is a circle. So we'll be using the area of a circle formula multiplied by how tall the cylinder is, which is called the height of the cylinder. So pi r squared is the area of a circle, and we're going to multiply that by h, which is the height of the cylinder. Here we have an example of a cylinder. We'll be using 3.14 to represent pi. Let's quickly recap that the volume formula is pi r squared times h. So can you tell what value we will be using for the radius and the height? Replace those values into the formula, as well as 3.14 for pi. Now 6.1 squared just simply means 6.1 times 6.1. So grab that calculator, multiply those values together, and we should get 1,402.0728 feet cubed. Don't forget to label.